What's up, everybody? I'm Money Mike, and welcome to another episode of Elevated Crypto, where every day we're scanning the news, we're checking the markets, we're discussing all things crypto, right? Guys, today hopping in, I do a little side note here. I just want to say apologize in advance. Guys, if there's any little background racket or anything you pick up here in the background, towards the end of my day today, my day job, I got the dreaded call from the landlord of the building I'm in, and apparently there was some sort of water leak, and I was the lucky winner of the, I guess, the apartment of where it originated from. So, needless to say, yeah, came home to some issues there, but he's a good guy. He got people right over here right away. Checking it out. So anyways, I apologize any little bang or clang in there in the background. I'm going to do the best I could and switch rooms and whatnot. We should be good. That being said, guys, let's jump into it today. Here we are about 6:30 Eastern Time on the East Coast here. Let's take a quick look. We have Bitcoin, what was it, 1157. 11,057. Ethereum, 384. XRP still about 25 cents. We could look and see here today. Bitcoin's up about 1.5%. Ethereum 0.8, and XRP a little below 0.5, 0.46%. It's up today. Guys, and I say that here watching with Bitcoin now. We've been over this 11. I was actually talking to one of my buddies at work today about this, and watching it go 10-7, then we're above 11, and then we're below. And I have an article here coming up later in this video that explains, why we're watching that so closely. One, and two, some of the key points to watch money-wise. 11,000 to 11,300, I believe, is the zone there to watch. Anyways, that being said, guys, let's pop right into it here. I found this article today, and I thought this was kind of interesting. Percentage of the world using Bitcoin equals entire internet usage in 1995. So again, guys, this just further cements, even though this has been going on a while, crypto, we are still early to the party. The percentage of the world population using Bitcoin is equivalent to the level of internet usage back in 95. The data shows that while the entire cryptocurrency market is at a nascent phase, it is relatively high growth. Dan Held, a Bitcoin analyst in charge of growth at the cryptocurrency exchange Kraken, said, percent of the world using the internet in 1995 was 0.5. 0.5, so not even 1%. Percent of the world using the internet now in 2020 is 60%. Percent of the world using Bitcoin right now in 2020 is 0.5. What do you think the price will be when 60% of the population is using Bitcoin? And that's an interesting point, guys. We're early to the party, and that goes to show you, what do you think the price, not only Bitcoin, but some of these other cryptos, what do you think the price will be once 60% of the world is involved in this? Again, it's just showing it is going to fly up. I really do. Some of the last videos we covered, Switzerland was getting involved, Thailand was getting ready, a European Union was getting ready to decide, and today, Philippine Central Bank embraces digital tokens. Again, guys, another one. Another country getting in line, getting ready to accept this type of currency. Getting ready to even look into this type of currency, too. It says here, the Philippines is really interested. Scaling down here, it says, the Philippine Central Bank sees digital tokens as a means to reduce the use of fiat money. Stop right there. Reduce the use of fiat money and improve the delivery of financial services in the country, even as the country is still studying its own digital currency. Right there, speaking to Bloomberg, Philippine Central Bank BSP Governor Benjamin Dioko said digital tokens expand reach and lessen cost of financial services, as well as reduce the use of fiat money. Again, guys, tokens taking over. Now, the Philippines is one of the countries studying the launch of its own digital currency. The BSP had said its study will look at the feasibility and potential policy implications of a central bank digital currency. But look at, the country had already launched a blockchain-powered platform to distribute government-issued bonds. So yeah, now they're looking into the digital token, but already behind the scenes, they already launched a blockchain-powered platform for government-issue bonds. So again, yeah, they might not be into the crypto aspect of it, but they're getting in line with the technology using blockchain. Again, guys, Philippines, that's another one. Here we are. Here's that article I wanted to share with you guys about that Bitcoin level, right? We're watching that 11,000 to 11,300 level. Bitcoin faces aggressive selling as bulls try to shatter the 11,200 resistance. Bitcoin's price has rallied throughout the past few days, with buyers' ardent defense of the lower 10,000 region catalyzing some serious momentum. This momentum led to the cryptocurrency as high as 11.2 earlier this morning before it faced a swift rejection. The price region between 11 and 11.3 has long been a strong resistance for the cryptocurrency. Some analysts and investors are noting that the aggressive selling pressure here could make it difficult for Bitcoin to rally any higher in the near term. So guys, if we're going to see Bitcoin take off, this is what has to happen. We have to flip resistance for support. This 11 to 11.3 could no longer be resistance. We have to blow through it and then maybe come back down, retest it and bounce off, retest it and bounce off, and then we'll switch it from a resistance to an actual support. And then it's get your moon boots out, boys, because this puppy's taking off, right? But let's be honest here, it flips that resistance, who knows where it's going to go. If it fails to push higher, the selling pressure may erode bull's strength and spark a sharp downside move. And a couple people I follow, and even a couple guys on the YouTube that I watch, were saying, if you see that downtrend, it's not out of the realm of possibility to see Bitcoin fall to 9,800. Me personally, I would love to see a little dip, because then you'll see some of these altcoin gems like take off. Huge, massive gains. Usually when Bitcoin drops, the altcoins pop, right? That's how it goes. Moving on, guys. Moving on. Not to tie you up here. Moving on. DeFi right now is like trying to fly to the moon in a cardboard box. I thought that was funny. And it's true, so a lot of this DeFi stuff takes off at such a rate that sooner or later it's going to break and burn up along the way, right? So guys, this DeFi thing is new. A lot of people are making crazy gains off it, but at the same time, some of these DeFi coins, as quick as the eruption could happen, the whole thing could blow up right underneath you too. So, a lot of people aren't really even sure what DeFi is yet, right? DeFi is still new. We're in the infancy of DeFi. And honestly, I think really the sky's the limit for it once, some more things happen. And really, I think DeFi could blow up. Moving on. Guys, I'm not going to go through this whole article. I just thought this thing was pretty neat. 5 passive ways you can earn Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So, say you're somebody that, you use credit cards daily. Well, some places like this one here, Socios.com, they developed the first fan engagement app, gives users the ability to accrue their fan tokens from their favorite clubs and chills tokens. All they need to do is sign up for a More Than a Fan Visa debit card and start earning cashback rewards. So again, credit cards, just from using credit cards daily, you could earn some rewards cashback in crypto. You could also, if you're a holder of crypto, you could also stake and use your tokens to validate. Again, that is a way you could earn passive income. You never lose the tokens, you stake them or lock them up for a period of time. And in that time, the company or platform will use them, and you will make out an interest, or you will share part of transaction fees with any transactions involving coins you at stake. So that's an option. Moving down, copy trading. Now this is sort of new. I seen there was a couple platforms. Basically, you could go on there, make an account, and say, I want to copy trade. So you could deposit money into it, and you could pick a trader and say, look, I just want to make all the same trades this guy does. And it will do that for you. You know, it's something new. To be honest, I haven't really looked into it a lot at all. But, you know, it's another way you could earn some money there. Web browsing. This is a big one too, guys. If you're somebody that's on the internet and, you know, you are on the internet browsing and whatnot, download the Brave browser. In the settings somewhere, you do have to turn it on. But every time you view an ad and you actually watch the ad, you earn BAT tokens. So guys, if you're on the internet anyways and ads are popping up anyways, why not watch it, let it play in the background, whatever, and earn some free BAT tokens, right? And another one, this is sort of like staking, I guess, pledging your assets. Again, this is something new, sort of like staking. You could pledge, you know, pledge your assets and earn, you know, some income off of the pledged assets. I'm not going to go through this whole thing. This article I got from CoinMarketCap, if you wanted to look it up. It was from today, from September 19th. So you could find it there on CoinMarketCap if you want to get into it. Guys, if you like the content, please don't forget, smash that like button. I greatly appreciate it. Helps out the YouTube algorithm. And again, guys, this is not financial advice. I am in no way, shape, or form a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. And I, you know, sincerely, I believe in this. This is why I do it. I have a day job. This isn't, you know, my form of income by doing YouTube videos or anything like that. I generally believe in this. And, you know, if I could change or open one or two people's eyes to this and help them change their life, then, hey, my job is done, and I consider that a win. All right, moving on. Last article of the day, and I'm sure you guys seen this. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but, you know, you guys seen the exchange Kraken. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with the exchange Kraken. They actually are the first exchange to become a United States crypto bank. Guys, that is a huge deal. You know, it's an enormous deal. This article was on CoinDesk. There's a little podcast with it. I'm not going to sit here and play it for you. If you did want to look at that, you could find that on CoinDesk. Again, it was from an article published today. It does have a little podcast with it explaining it, but I just wanted to highlight that is a huge deal. You know, a crypto exchange becoming an actual bank. Big things, guys. Big things happening in this field. Big things happening in cryptocurrency in general. And that's what we're here to do, right? Spread the word. Guys, again, if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. Do your own homework. Do your own research. And again, until next time, guys, peace.